Hello everybody, this is Dr. Fox at Precise Chiropractic in Troy, and today I want to share with you some tips on ladder safety. Right now a lot of people are doing home projects and ladder accidents are one of the #1 causes of injury in the home. So it's real important to make sure that you're being safe with them. Number one is when you're using a step ladder or any type of ladder that folds into an A-frame, you want to make sure that you lock the cross member to make sure that the ladder doesn't collapse when you're climbing up on it. The other thing you want to make sure that you do is that you always have 3 points of contact on the ladder, either 2 feet in one hand or 1 foot in 2 hands. That way you're stable on the ladder itself. And always make sure that you set the ladder in a place that has a flat level surface that isn't slippery. Another thing that's really important is to make sure that you don't exceed the weight recommendations for the ladder. There's usually a sticker on the ladder that will tell you what that is. In that on a step ladder, you never climb above the top rung. So there's a line here that says don't stand above this step. So here's the highest place you can stand on this ladder. On a ladder you're leaning against a building, you want to make sure you follow the 1 to 4 rule, which is that for every 4 feet you go up the wall, you want the ladder to be at least 1 foot away from the wall. And on those ladders, you also want to make sure that you're setting the top of the ladder 3 feet above the surface that you're trying to climb up on top of if you're trying to get on top of a roof or something like that. That way you don't tip the ladder down below you. So those are some great tips that will help you to be safe with ladders. This is Dr. Fox at Precise Chiropractic in Troy.